The virus is spreading rapidly across Latin America as well. The death toll has surged past 15,000. The region is staring at a bleak future and an unstable economy. In the coming 2 weeks, researchers say they are expecting a massive surge in the number of cases across the region. Faced with severe shortage of medical supplies and a crumbling healthcare system, the region's financial and social security is also turning fragile with each passing day. In Brazil, the coronavirus pandemic is likely to result in a political crisis as well. President Jair Bolsonaro continues to underplay the crisis. Mayors, governors and courts even have fiercely criticized his moves. A global coalition of intellectual artists and scientists have also written an open letter to Brazil seeking protection of indigenous communities and ensuring that the virus does not spread across forests and rural areas. As Mexico entered the third week of the crisis, the health ministry has reported more than 1,000 new cases. Experts have raised concern over the low testing rate and requested the government must step up the processes to ensure better healthcare facilities. Mexico has also received 211 ventilators worth $16,000 to $24,000 from the U.S. to fight the crisis. COVID-19 cases in Ecuador crossed 31,000. Now the threat looms over indigenous communities living in the Amazon forests. As of now, 14 of the few hundred in Sucupay tribe have contracted the infection already. Hospitals are overwhelmed. Morgues have no space left for the piling dead bodies. The government has followed stringent quarantine rules for a month and is now likely to reopen few small businesses. The International Monetary Fund has also approved $643 million in emergency assistance for Ecuador. Oil rigs and gas drilling activities across the world have been severely hit in the United States as well. Among the most affected are Colombia and Argentina, which took the biggest hit with the closure of at least 60 rigs amid the coronavirus pandemic. Experts believe that the pandemic is peaking in Latin America with more than 282,000 cases being reported. Countries like Colombia, Ecuador and Mexico have extended their lockdowns. However, poor social conditions and healthcare system pushing the people in this region to a more vulnerable position.